How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, which is the X application, it's very simple. First of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch the X application here, and after you've done that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left and just go to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Then from there onwards, just go to privacy and safety. After you go to privacy and safety, what you want to do is simply go to this option here, content you see, and if you want to turn off sensitive content, right here you can say display media that may contain sensitive content. Currently sensitive content is enabled, but to disable it you just have to turn off this toggle. If this toggle is already turned off, then in that case sensitive content is already disabled, so you don't have to do anything about it. And this way you can go ahead and then turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.